Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2001 Honda Goldwing 1800 with ABS brakes. This is the luxury touring motorcycle that sets a standard in the industry. Beautiful condition, one owner motorcycle, only 25,000 miles. This thing is a beautiful satin black finish. The bike has 2 brand new tires, fully serviced with the 24K service. This bike is turnkey, ready to go, runs perfectly. It's got the light bar in the back and the luggage rack. This bike runs so beautifully, you're gonna fall in love as soon as you see it and hear it. Come by, make your touring motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful 01 Goldwing, low mileage, one owner, price to sell, way under book at just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended we don't have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.Contra Costa Powersports, where we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes at any given time. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.